Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Soraya Renee and I am back with a new video. We are going to be trying on these Kiss Masterpiece press-on nails, and it has 30 nails included, 12 accent nails, and glue is already included as well. I thought these were super cute and I just wanted to try them. I usually get acrylic, but when I seen these I just actually had to pick them up. These were hella cute, so I had to cop these. I would be using my Kiss glue. I would not be using the glue included. I'm just sorting out my nails and trying to find out which one fits each hand and which finger. So I have them picked out for each hand, and now I'm just going to go in with my Nail Pro Premium nail drill, and I'm just going to start off by drilling off my nails so the glue can stick better, so my nails can last even longer. And I'm just going to do this for each hand. So I'm just going to repeat this step on the fake nail so it can attach even more better. So I'm just trying to make sure they just be staying on. I don't want them to pop off, so I have to use my glue everywhere I go. So that's why I did that. Now I'm just going to start by gluing them on each finger so we can have some bomb nails, okay? We walking out here looking cute. So these are the finishing results. Make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.